following after the lust of the flesh. When man don't have no restraints, like, how can you, it's good. Let's go for everybody, because I don't want nobody following me. And you say, don't follow me. Don't listen to, hang on to my every word. Don't make me out of an idol. Don't turn me into no God. I don't want to be your great white hope. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. And I'm barely hanging on and making it myself. So, don't follow after people. Make sure you know the master that you're supposed to be following after. So that way you won't get led astray. Nah, that's the only thing I can tell you. Like, I know who God is. And even if I get sidetracked on my own, I know how to get back on track by following after God. But when you following people that are possessed, demonized, and they believe in idolatry, following after other gods, worshiping the creation and not the creator, calling other gods God. Don't get led astray, child. But, yeah, I'm gonna tap this fish. I think I'm gonna eat it all so that way in the morning I got to get up and film a mukbang. But I had a good day today, even though I feel like I didn't get that much done. But, y'all, that's another thing. Sometimes you feel like you didn't get that much done, and you are hard on yourself. But you got up, you showed up, and you stayed busy all day long. It don't matter how much you got done. What matters is that you got something accomplished. And that's how long it took. And that's what I tell myself, okay. I finished the window covers. But it looked like that's all I got done. But that's how long it took. I ran back and forth in the parking lot in the store at Home Depot 3 or 4 different times trying to get the right thing. So that's how long it took. It took all day. I woke up pretty early this morning. I was up earlier, but I didn't get out of bed. But I really got up or woke up at 8, but didn't really get out of bed till 10. That's one thing about van life too. It pretty much make you be on a schedule, which is good for me. Y'all, I got 2 more. These fries are good too. They cold, y'all, but them fries are seasoned good. I don't like fries, let alone cold. I got 2 pieces of fish left, but I'm not gonna eat it. Actually, 3. That I'm not gonna eat it because I'm full. I might wake up in the middle of the night and want something. I just came on here with a quick mukbang. I want y'all to stay encouraged, stay blessed. Know, no matter what go on, no matter what you see, no matter what people say about me, no matter how people attack me, know that I'm encouraged. Know that I'm blessed. Know that no weapon formed against me shall prosper. Y'all, pray for yourself. And listen, y'all. This is very important. Some people are prayer warriors. I'm a prayer warrior. But there is no substitution for you praying for yourself. So, and it don't matter how eloquent your words are, it don't matter how fast you pray, you just need to get on your knees.
Stadia is a gaming service by Google, and it's totally free to try on devices you already own. That's right, you won't have to buy any expensive hardware to play the latest and greatest games. Head to Stadia.com right now and get started with your free month trial.
Come on down.
Cinnamon.
Hey, yo, today.
All day. Every day. All day.
Third video?
Yeah.
Third video of the day. We will be reacting to the Prince family. I made a diss track on my 12-year-old son, 12-year-old brother, Darren, and my dad for ending reaction.
So Mr. Cryer is reacting to it.
Yes. So you ready?
I was born ready.
No.
Between the father and the son. But if you guys want to, please leave the like, share, subscribe. Please hit the bell to be notified every time we post a video. And also, don't forget to go check out our own personal channels. It's Los Angeles Cameron Games and Keysway. What else we got to say? Don't forget to check out Instagram and Twitter. And our cash app is in the description box below as well. You know.
Dang, you trying to get some cash? Yeah, well, donate to the channel. Come on, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, is he in the hospital? That look like a hospital.
Yeah, that's like hospital thing.
Oh. Hope everybody good. kids won't.
Protect your hands from Kleenex Soothing Lotion. Made 3 layers strong.
I can see you under a mess of feelings that
Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Stopping in to say hello, how are you? This is going to be a really quick one. I have one uploading for you all, but it's taking a little longer than expected. So I just dropped in to show you something really cute from Bath and Body Works. Look at it, it's Little Mermaid. This was gifted to me from my son Tay. So this is really cute. She's a little mermaid. I love mermaids. Also there is the Mermaid Lagoon candle. Can't really get a good focus on that. This Mermaid Lagoon. And it's so cute all together. This is really, really cute. Now this Mermaid Lagoon, the candle itself is really cute, I think. Makes me think of sea life or even sea or whatever. But it doesn't smell the best, okay? I'm just gonna tell you that heads up. But it just goes so nicely together. How cute. I think this is adorable. It has the little metallic colors, holding the little pearl, then the little seashell is metallic. Turn it all the way around. For any chance, how cute that is. It's cute from the front and the back. So, another addition to my Bath and Body Works collection. I know for sure, like I say, I will not even be lighting this candle. It's just a nice keepsake gifted to me. So cute. This here is not Bath and Body Works, but I just think it's so cute. It actually has more lighting. But this is all about the Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. This is another day of Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day 29. Like I said, I had to get one out quickly to you. It's 11 p.m. at night. So the one that I actually have uploading, it's not gonna be fully uploaded until, let me see, it's gonna be a while. So I guess you all will see that one sometime tomorrow.
Oh!
Yeah, more Bath and Body Works. I actually still have another little go over what I actually have on my shelf over there, but I'm not going to include that now because I want to get this video out to you. Just wanted to show you all how cute she is. Let me know if you've seen her. This is something new that I guess they had. And let me know if you smell this candle. How do you like it? The Mermaid Lagoon.
Oh.
Yeah, let me see. Of course, you know. Candles on sale. This one, Mermaid Lagoon, $24.50 is the regular price, but you can catch them on sale.
we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Sis, we gotta talk. We have to talk. Right now. Right now. So, I caught myself stepping on the scale this morning, right? I ain't stepped on that thing in about 3 months. I give it a solid 3 months. Solid 3 months. Last I remember, I was 174 pounds. Child, it's all my fault. I eat like crap most of the time. I don't exercise. So it's all my fault. I get it. But it didn't have to do me like that. It didn't have to do me like that. I don't even know just like, what? I'm gonna show y'all how much I weigh in a minute, 'cause you know I try to keep it real with y'all. I'm just about to fill in these eyebrows real quick. The scale didn't have to do me like that. I mean, it just kicked me in the throat, knocked me unconscious. All right, that's good enough. I'm probably about to throw a hat on because all up here is looking atrocious. I need to take these things out. Oh, and this one is hanging by a thread. Look at that. About to redo this one. I am never about to be caught out here slipping. You ain't about to see me walking and doggone braid fall out. No ma'am. Alright, here we go. Let's go add a few extra pounds because yeah, it added about a pound. I was 195 this morning. It added a little bit over a pound because now I'm holding the camera and I got clothes on. I was booty butt naked earlier and it was 195 point something. I don't know. My vision got blurry after I seen the 195, so I don't know what came after that dot. I need to seriously get my life together and fast. Like I will be 40 next year, September, and I can't. I refuse. I think the highest weight I've ever been was like 240 something, and that's after I had, I don't know, one of them, either Deja or Naya. I can't even remember. I lost it. Got down to like 150 something. Like, why y'all didn't tell me that the weight was like creeping up? Y'all couldn't see it in my face, in my neck. Like, sis, I thought we was here. Nobody told me that you're getting fatter. You're getting fatter. Cleveland, and I got a bone to pick with Cleveland because he didn't tell me. Like, he's around me every day. He didn't tell me. He just didn't tell me. Like, my kids didn't tell me. Well, they probably didn't pay attention to me. But Cleveland, I know he pays attention to me. I know he probably don't care, but he could have been like, he just could have took me to the side like that. You know, you gained a little bit of weight. I don't know. I probably would have went off on him, but it's like, no. I don't know. Somebody should have told me something because last I checked, I was 174. The thing is, my clothes don't fit any different. Now that I think about it, when I put my jeans on, I do have to jump up and down in them a little bit longer than I used to. Ooh. Hey y'all, so we in Target, and I'm still mad at this dude because he ain't tell me I was getting fatter. He ain't tell me, just blowing up over here, full blown. Anyway, we in Target. I had to come in here real quick. I should be going over there to grocery shop for some healthier food. I just got some Starbucks. Thank you again, Tasha. And this time I got, which I know I ain't supposed to be having, this mug got 47 grams of sugar in it. This time I got the strawberry refresher. This tastes better than the mango dragon fruit. Oh, what's this one? I don't know why I'm looking at different. I always get Cascade. This one got 48 for 14, and this one got 62 for 17. I'll just go ahead and get this one. What is this guy doing? What you doing?
Trying to put that tank back in. That spring is tight.
What'd you come over here for?
I was looking for those, see the little snack things?
Oh yeah, Cleveland been eating on these little
They all contain
snack bites. I'm just
Stuff
saying,
like that.
yeah, that be having like the cheese and the nuts and stuff in it.
They all got, all of these got
What
gluten.
about this one?
They all got gluten in it. They all say they contain wheat on the back. The wheat.
So Cleveland can't eat gluten, y'all. So he's been screwed.
I've been trying not to. I've been doing this, but I just don't care. I just suffer because it's too complicated. You gotta like read everything. You can't just pick nothing up no more.
Who else? Y'all leave in the comments. Anybody else out there? I know it is. Anybody else like that can't eat gluten? Like, what do y'all do? Like, help a brother out. Because,
Read
oh
everything.
baby.
That's why I'm about to lose the weight eventually. Because I'm gonna just.
With Stadia Pro, you can sneak, stream, and boom for free.
Just be hungry all the time. Can't eat nothing.
But you can look on
YouTube. There's plenty of YouTube videos that'll give you like some ideas and recipes and stuff.
Yeah, but it all tastes like crap. Number one. And number two,
Especially like the cookies and
Yeah,
stuff. The
it tastes like
bugs was,
crap.
oh my goodness, so hard and chalky
It all
and
tastes like crap. And then you gotta cook everything. I don't want to cook. I wake up dummy hungry. You gotta go chopping and doing all that, everything.
yeah, you can't just grab the
I don't feel like doing that crap, so I just don't eat or
Oh baby.
jelly.
As much as I love cheese, I've never had one of these. What they called? Baby Bell?
Yeah, baby, man.
I've never had one of these before. So you want to eat them? I've never tried them. But you end up grabbing.
Sacrifice. I'm gonna just get this like a little piece of meat and just keep rolling them up and eating it.
Yeah, we over here in the workout aisle, sport goods section. Well, we got most of this stuff in the house already. Collected dust, boxing gloves. I got a pair. He got a pair. I don't know where they at. We got one of those balls. We got what? We got these kettlebells. We got a jump rope. We also got some of these. I got some of these booty bands that I bought from Amazon like probably last year sometime. Never used them. I just wanted to see what they had over here. So we got tons of water bottles. Yeah, we don't need nothing. I would rather shop like TJ Maxx or something for this stuff anyway. It's cheaper. Cleveland found what he was looking for right here on his way out the door. He didn't even get in line. He just went straight over. I don't think it's a line anywhere. And then he got this bougie water over here. Well, it's bougie looking water. Just look bougie, don't it? You ain't even getting in line. You just went straight.
It wasn't a lot.
I know.
We about to go get our nails done. Me, my mama, and Naya picked up this pineapple at Publix. Wish it was already cut, like, in slices. I have to do it myself. I should have grabbed two of these because it was only $2.50. I should have grabbed two. I didn't know if it was going to be sweet or not. Can you roll them up? I'm trying to see if she need to change her pants, her jeans. Darn it. Hey, Doc.
Yeah, but it's like.
Okay, we'll go put on some yoga pants or something. Thank you. Not yet. Mushrooms, onions, and green peppers. Cheese, guacamole, sour cream, and the corn salsa. Yeah, that's it. They know what they do.
Look at that.
That sounds pitiful. Why you getting the water from there, Ma? Why you didn't get it out of the thing down here?
Get it what now?
Yeah, dump that out. Get it from over here. That's all right. What is that? What? Oops, I wasn't paying attention. Just got the stubby pink nails on. Mama copied off of me. Look at it. Look at it. Naya didn't want her nails done. How big this burrito is.
This is how I make a BLT.
Make sure y'all. I'm in Ross. I really like this backpack first. It's cute. It's Steve Madden. And it's $24.99. I mean, I don't think you can beat that. And the quality of it feels real good. I like the way this feels. Let me see. How do you... Oh, okay. So I got a compartment here, and then compartment here. And what I like about it is this little tassel. I think I'm gonna get this. And the color, y'all know I'm on this like brown color, like my room. I think I'm gonna get it. I peeped it out. It was like, it was like hanging right there, and I told Naya to get it. See, they don't have much stuff in here. But yeah, $24. I mean, you cannot beat that. I am getting it. I also go to TJ Maxx, which is a couple doors down, because I got gift cards for TJ Maxx. Well, it's for TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Marshalls. These are kind of cute. You like these? You don't like them? She said I would not wear those. What? How much are they? $19.99. I mean, I wouldn't wear them either, but I thought she might would have worn them. I don't know where my mama went. I mean, look at her. Just come in and sit down. You stuffed, huh? She ate that whole burrito. I couldn't finish it. Right, because she ate my chips too. These are cute.
Those shoes are ugly. You know what these shoes?
Okay, let's go to the back and see what they got back here. Oh yeah, who can I get these for? What size are these? A 10? Mariah feet too big for these. Oh, these are cute. I need a baby. Oh,
Size 1.
so cute. This is cute.
It's no point in getting them shoes because they just get carried basically the whole time.
That's true.
These, like these basically,
Yeah.
those probably gonna be up somewhere in the stroller or something.
Oh, look at the Paw Patrol. You're right, Naya. Or they just gonna be getting carried somewhere. Oh, somebody over there dropping stuff. Alright, I'm just about to browse over here. I'm definitely getting this purse, but I'm just about to browse over here and see if they got